Hello everyone. I've got a couple of small things, and I mean small, they're just piddly little things. Like the air deflectors over the lights of my 96 Dodge Ram. Over the winter, this past winter, I hit one with a trash can and knocked it off because it was like 2 degrees outside. So I took them both off, I cleaned them up, cleaned up the paint, I cleaned them up also. I'm going to put new adhesive on them and put those back on, and I've got a fender marker light to replace in the 98 Wrangler. I took it out when I bought the 04 Wrangler because the 04 Wrangler was missing a light, and I want all the lights to work on the 98 Wrangler. So shall we? If we look here, we can kind of see where the original adhesive was on the edge. Spooled out too much. Okay. Here. And all that this is the 3M super strength molding tape. That's all it is. And we repeat that for the next one. Here's my replacement stuff for the Jeep. And test that right quick. Wrong light bulb? Ah, there it goes. That's better. And we'll change the bulb in the other one also. I always change bulbs in pairs. Oh, huh. I must rub this one too. Didn't remember doing that. I didn't rub the lens. I rubbed the bulb. I'll make sure that one works. It's working. Alright, now prep the area here with acro solvent. It's $35 a quart. But it's clean and ready to go now. Alright, I'm gonna get one shot at this. Go. Mo better. Alright. One shot. Alright, now I'm going to fire up the 98, let it run a while. I have not fixed the exhaust manifold, and I'm going to show you the leak. Down here behind the motor mount. That big old crack right there. So I do have a new exhaust manifold for it, and I am going to change. Anyway, that's it. Just a short little piddly little video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and it helps my channel a lot. I will see you later.